This strategy that I'm about to show you is the best and the simplest Weltrade Indices strategy that you can ever use, whether you're a beginner trader or you're an advanced trader. Now, this is a very simple strategy to set up, but very difficult to follow. So you're going to have to pay close attention to how exactly you're going to tackle the market. And the good part about this video is I'm not only going to be giving you guys this powerful strategy, I'm also going to be giving you an opportunity to come and trade with me in our VIP Signals group for World Trade for free. Yes, I'm going to give you more details about that in this video, and you'll be able to know how you can join our free VIP Signals group for World Trade Indices. But for now, let's take a look at this strategy so that you will also be able to generate your own signals using this strategy. So let's head straight into how exactly this strategy works. Okay, so right now I've opened up my charts and we're going to go through the step-by-step process of installing this strategy, and then I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you're going to be finding trades using this simple but effective strategy. So as you can see right now, we're looking at gain X 400. We're basically on World Trade and we have opened up all the indices that we have on World Trade. So right now this is a blank chart, and we're going to be using a specific time frame, which I'm going to tell you later on once we have set up the strategy. So the first thing that we're going to do is to head on straight to our indicator section, then click on main window, and the first indicator that we're going to install is going to be a moving average, and this moving average is going to have the following properties. Our period is going to be 5, our shift is going to be 0, the method is going to be exponential, apply to close. We're not going to have any levels on this one, and on visualization, just allow it to be on all time frames. I'm going to change this color to a black color, and please try and follow the same colors that I'm using, and then you can later on customize once you're comfortable with the strategy. Now I'm going to click done because these will be the final properties. As you can see, we've got a black line running across our charts. Next, we're going to need another indicator. Once again, it's going to be a moving average, but this time around it is going to have a period of 12. The shift will remain as 0, the method is exponential, apply to close. Once again, no levels, and on visualization, once again, all time frames. What we have to really change here is the style, and we're going to put a different style. We're going to choose this blue color for this indicator. Okay, so these will be the final properties for our indicator, and we can click done. Now you can see we now have the blue line running across our charts, which is our second indicator that we have just installed. Next, we're going to install our relative strength index, or the RSI as you guys might know it, and the period is going to be 1, apply to close. And on levels, we're going to have the following levels: level 90, level 10, and level 50. Now my level 10, I've labeled it as a buy zone. My level 90 is my sell zone, and my level 50, I'm going to just write TP. It's a short for take profit, and you're going to see exactly how it's going to be effective when we use it. So I'm going to click done, and on visualization, once again, all time frames. Now this time around on my style, I'm going to pick the same color as my background color. So I've got a white background on my chart, so I'm going to pick white, as you can see, and then click done. Now we have that RSI added down there, which is exactly what we want. Now we're left with a few more indicators to add, but this time around we're going to be adding them under our indicator window 1. So I'm going to click on indicator window 1, click on moving average, and this time around our moving average is going to have the period of 5, a shift of 0. The method this time around is going to change to simple. Okay, apply to close. We're not going to have any levels, visualization, all time frames as usual, and I'm going to change the color for this one once again down here. So I'm going to pick a different color. I'm going to pick a purple color right there for our indicator, and then I'll click done, and as you can see, we now have that indicator down there. Now last but not least, we need our final indicator, and once again it's going to fall under our indicator window 1, and this time around it's going to be moving average once again, but the period is going to change to 3. The shift will remain as 0, the method will remain as exponential, apply to close. What we really need to change is the style, and I'm going to choose that green color and then click down. So now as you can see, we now have the green and purple line down there, and we've got the blue and black line up there on our main chart. This is the final indicator that's going to help us pick up trades on Weltrade indices. Now, probably some of you guys are wondering where to get these indices, and I'm going to show you guys very easily. All you have to do is to like this video, comment down below, and make sure that you are a subscriber of this channel, and then you send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number, which you'll be able to find in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just send me a screenshot showing me that you have subscribed, you've liked this video, and you've commented down below. Then I'll send you a link that's going to help you create an account where you will be able to find these indices that you see on the screen. You gain X600, PNX 400, FX volatility 80, SFX volatility 20, all these indices that you see on my screen. You will be able to get a link on how to create that account, and once you have just texted me that screenshot, you also be able to be added to our VIP signals group on Weltrade for free. So all you have to do is to like this video, comment down below just to show proof that you have watched this video, and then send me a message on my WhatsApp number showing me that you've done all those three, and I'll be able to add you to the VIP signals group for Weltrade for free, and we'll be able to trade all these indices together. Okay, so now that we have the strategy, let me show you how you can trade with this strategy on your own besides the signals. Okay, now this is a very simple strategy that you have to follow. Okay, this is a very simple strategy. First thing that you have to do is to know the conditions, and then you know what exactly to do, right? So if you want to take sell trades, for example, we'll start for a sell trade because currently we are actually closer to this sell trade that's been going on right now, and I'm just going to show you how you're going to be able to pick up this fantastic trade. Now, number one, you're going to be in the 15-minute time frame when you want to use this strategy, and once you're in the 15-minute time frame, all you have to do now is to look for these conditions. Number one, if you want to enter into a sell trade, the first thing that you have to actually look at is these green and purple line. Okay, so you want to know if they have reached anywhere close to level 90 or above level 90, and once you see your green and purple line in that zone, which is our sell zone right there that we have labeled, then you know that there is a high chance that you might actually get an opportunity to sell. But you're not going to enter right away. You're actually going to wait for the following condition, and that condition is you want to see price breaking your black line right there, which means that your candlestick crosses and closes below your black line. That's your second condition. And your third condition, you actually want to see the black line now crossing and closing below your blue line like that. So you want to have at least three of these conditions met before you enter into a sell trade. And once you enter into a sell trade, I'll show you where your take profit will be. So you're going to follow the purple line and the green line up to the TP level, which is level 50 right there. So once you could have ended somewhere around here, and you just have to wait for price to get to that stage. Okay, that's how you enter into a sell trade. Let's talk about a buy scenario, which is pretty much vice versa. Okay, number one, you want to see the green and purple line in your buy zone. We're talking about level 10 and going down, and once you see that, going to check on your price action. Number one, you want to see the black line crossing to be above the black or your candlesticks crossing to be above your black line, crossing and closing above. And then you want to see this blue line crossing with the black line, having the black line above the blue line. And once you see that, you know price is probably going to push up, and obviously your take profit will be when the purple and the green line reach your level 50. That's when you actually want to exit. Okay, so it's very simple because you are actually following trends using this simple strategy. It's a trend following strategy. Whenever you see EMAs being introduced, just know that you're going to try and figure out the trend and be able to ride it. Now, of course, you will be affected on when you actually pick up the trade, because we're actually waiting for so many conditions to be met so that you actually have a really high probability trade. Here's another sell trade. Get in your sell zone, get your blue and black line crossing right there, as well as candlesticks crossing and going below, and you can see price dropped right there and there. And you can even use this strategy on all of these indices that we have on World Trade. This is pain X400. You can see that the buy zone, this is where our our green and purple line reached, which means that we're anticipating what? Some buy trades. And you can see all the price action occurred right there, and price pushed all the way up, and we're currently at our take profit zone, as you can see. So this is really an effective strategy. So this is gain X999, and I want to show you how the strategy actually looks like before you even enter into a trade. So you can see right now, the green and purple line have already reached our sell zone. Okay, and our second condition has already been met. We have got price crossing and closing below our black line, which means now we're on condition number 2. Now we're just waiting for price to drive down and cross with our blue line, and once it does, then it means that we're going to be taking our sell trade. All right, there, can you see how simple this is? And look at the buy trade that occurred before that. Simple, but with our purple and green line in our buy zone, and with all our price action occurring right there, and you can see price then pushed up in a massive way, just like that. So tell me, guys, what you think about this strategy in the comment section, and remember that if you like this video, comment down below and make sure that you're a subscriber. Then send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to be added to our VIP signals group, where we can trade these indices together, and you'll be able to join for free. I'll be able to give you even how an account of where you'll be able to find these indices. So make sure that you follow me and get my contact from the Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box right below. Just click it and it will take you straight to our free Telegram channel. It's free again to join. There are over 10,000 traders in the group, so I'm sure it's a good trading community for you. I post my results, I post my students' results, I post anything to do with these trades. So make sure you sign up for that. Until next time.